So here with me, I have the Oraimo smart cooker. Well, this was actually released a very long time ago, but in this video, I'm going to be doing a tear down of this smart cooker. It's actually rated at 1,000 watts. So without wasting much time, let's just go now and do the unboxing. Although I've unboxed this before, but you get the lid, you have a power cord, you have the steamer. This is the steamer, it's an aluminum steamer. Then you have the cooker itself. This is actually rated at 1,000 watts. But the only downside with this is just that it's quite small. When I mean small, I mean very, very small. I was expecting it to be bigger, but it wasn't. So here you have the base, and I almost said this has a double layer coating. When I mean coating, I mean there is actually a layer in this before adding this to it, and this is non-stick. Well, I tried it out for some time, but still, things will still get burnt in it, though, depending on what you are cooking and depending on the level of the heat. It has two programmable buttons, the minimum, the maximum. The minimum is maybe you want to fry egg or you want to do pancake, while the maximum is you want to cook rice and some other things entirely. So you could use the maximum. So these are some of the specifications, if you could see. You have 220 to 240 voltage. That's the highest. Then rated at 1,000 watts. So let's just do the tear down and see what we have. So taking this off, you are exposed to this. I really don't know why this is like this though. So you have the coil here, which is actually the heater itself. We have to both the positive and the negative. Then we have the control for the knob. And I have to say, this is a thermostat control knob. It's a thermostat in the sense whereby when you set it at the minimum, it has the maximum temperature it gets to before automatically it's cut off. So you have the thermostat here, then you have this, which is for the indicator to show you if it's on and off. Then you have an earth power to this. So which means that whatever you are doing, it's not going to shock. It's not going to shock you at all. And basically, that is all you have. You see, they use a very well solid material. This is actually an insulated copper wire and it's quite strong. The mounting, the builds, there is nothing connecting to the metal surface to give it shock aside from this, that is aside from the earth. Then you also have this to it. And this is more or less like the temperature control. This is more or less like a sensor that reads the temperature, tells you, when the food is too hot and when to turn it off. And you see, it's linked here and it's also linked to the power button. So this is actually it's a sensor though. So that is all you have for it. It's quite small and I'm not sure how much it's going to last. Or sorry, I'm not sure how long it's going to last. But if you need something kind of nice whereby, you could just use it basically to cook and do all other things, I would advise you get this because the steamer also makes it easy. It makes it quite easy, whereby you have some food, maybe chicken that you want to eat, instead of putting it in the microwave, you just have to just leave it inside the cooler. So inside the cooker actually. So all you basically have to do is just you put water in it, put whatever you want to put, then you turn it on. So that's all. That's what we have with this. We'll be doing more of tearing down of devices. So stay around with me. I'll see you in the next video.